Book of Heaven, Volume 2, June 21st, 1899. Jesus says, "For love of you, I will not leave Corato." Jesus jokes with Luisa. Immediately I ran to place myself in his arms, and while I was like this, Jesus continued saying,
"Not only will I not leave you, but for love of you, I will not leave Corato."
Then, almost without my realizing it, in one instant he disappeared. I remained with a yearning for him, more than before, and I kept saying, "What have you done to me? How is it, so quickly have you gone away from me without even saying goodbye?" While I was pouring out my pain, the image of baby Jesus, which I have near me, seemed to become alive, and every now and then he would put out his head from inside the glass bell to see what I was doing. And when he would see that I noticed it, immediately he would go back inside. I said to him, "It shows that you are too impertinent and that you want to act like a child. I feel I'm going mad with pain because you are not coming and you are there playing. Well then, go ahead, play and joke, for I will have patience." Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.